Welcome, traveler. Perhaps you didn't come here by accident. Something within you has led you right here. This is where the journey back to yourself begins. A path that is calm, human, and yet full of strength. Enter, take a deep breath, and allow this space to reconnect you with who you truly are. Pause for a moment. Let everything around you fade away. Quiet the world, quiet your thoughts, and listen only to your breath. Because right now, in this very moment, something within you can change. You are not here by coincidence. Your soul brought you here to remember what you once knew long ago and perhaps have forgotten. That your life, your strength, and your balance have always been within you. This space is not ordinary. It is part of a unique program that unites three great paths of human wisdom: Stoicism, Eastern philosophy, and indigenous knowledge. This video will look at your questions, struggles, and challenges through these three perspectives: the view of the Stoic, the Eastern sage, and the voice of indigenous wisdom. It will help you understand why things happen the way they do, and most importantly, how to face them practically with calm, perspective, and strength that rises from within. Here, reason meets the soul, wisdom meets courage, silence meets action. So take a deep breath and let me guide you on a journey that may just change your life. Today we will talk, explain, and learn how to recognize and overcome burnout and mental fatigue. A Zen proverb says, "You burn because you forgot to tend your fire." Every fire, even the brightest, will fade one day if you don't give it wood, air, and time to rest. Burnout is not weakness. It is simply a signal that you have been strong for a long time. Perhaps too long, that you gave more of yourself than you had and forgot to return to yourself. Today we will understand that burnout is not an ending, but a call from the soul for balance, a call to come back to yourself. Let me begin with a story. Imagine a candle. It burns brightly, it lights up the room. But if you force it to burn without pause, one day it goes out. Not because it doesn't want to shine, but because it has run out of wax. People fade the same way, slowly, quietly, but surely. First the joy disappears, then appetite, finally even the sense of meaning. And the only remedy is not more output and more productivity, but a return to simplicity, a return to silence, a return to yourself. And what is the Stoic approach to this topic? It is the wisdom of balance. The Stoics believed we should not be swept away by either joy or pain. You lose strength when you allow anything outside you to control you. Burnout always arises when you give attention to everything except yourself. Every day you run from duty to duty, but you forget that calm is not a reward for performance. Calm is the condition that makes performance possible. You are not a machine. You are breath. You are rhythm. You are life. Your task is not to endure. Your task is to renew. The Eastern principle treats this as an approach called emptiness as my healer. In Buddhism, it is said, "When the bowl is full, nothing new can enter." When your mind is full of noise, you cannot hear the call of your inner self. Burnout is, in truth, a return to emptiness. It is not a punishment. It is an invitation that says, empty yourself of overload, and then something new can arrive. Stop. Do nothing. Just breathe. Silence is not emptiness. Silence is the space where the soul breathes again. The indigenous principle relies on a method known as the rhythm of the earth. Indigenous peoples understood fatigue as a call from the land. When someone felt weak, they went into nature for a time, to remember that they belonged to the rhythm of the earth, not against it. Time was not measured in hours there, but in breaths. And when the person returned, they were not cured, they were reconnected. Try it yourself. Walk barefoot on the grass. Stand by a tree and feel how it gives you strength. This is not magic. It is a return to naturalness. And here are my practical recommendations. Slow down before life stops you. Do not wait until your body forces you to rest. Make calm a daily ritual. Truly make calm a daily ritual. Never give more energy than you replenish in yourself. Help, but with measure. Compassion does not mean self-sacrifice. Find a quiet place of power. It might be a park, your regular bath, or a quiet corner. A place where your mind shifts from doing to being. Learn to say enough, not, when I finish this, then I'll rest. But, I rest so that I can continue afterward. Renew yourself with small daily touches, music, a scent, candlelight. Small things are not trivial. They are essential anchors of life. Now let's look at practical exercises that will help you. Exercise number 1. Pause for 3 minutes. Goal. Stop the inner running and switch the brain from performance mode to calm. Stop, sit down, or lean back. Close your eyes and notice your breath. For 3 minutes, simply observe air entering and leaving. When a thought comes, say gently, thinking, and return to the breath. Practice at least 3 minutes. This exercise, after a few days of consistency, brings the sense that the body switches itself into calm. Exercise number 2. 10 minutes screen-free goal. Relieve the overloaded brain from constant stimuli. Every day, take 10 minutes completely without phone, computer, or TV. Just sit, breathe, and notice your surroundings. Light, sounds, the movement of air. If possible, be outside or by a window. Practice at least 10 minutes. Your brain will begin to regenerate within a few days. It's a reset, like sleep for consciousness. Exercise number 3. 3. Small joys. Goal. Return energy and meaning to your life. Each evening, write down or say 3 small things that brought you joy. A smile, a coffee, a warm shower, a look at the sky. With each thought, smile briefly and say, "That was great." Practice at least 2 minutes. Simple yet powerful. This strengthens dopamine, the hormone of inner motivation and vitality. Exercise number 4. Earth under your feet. Goal. Bring energy down from the head back into the body. Stand barefoot or in socks and feel your feet touching the ground. Close your eyes and imagine roots growing from your soles, downward into calm. Breathe deeply. With each inhale, feel strength. With each exhale, tension flowing down. Practice at least 3 to 5 minutes. This exercise helps when you feel you can't go on. The body draws strength from the earth. Exercise number 5. 1 no per day. Goal. Protect your energy and relearn boundaries. Each day allow yourself 1 small no to an unnecessary task. No to the phone when you want silence. No to the thought, "I must." Say, "No, because I need to rest now." Practice for at least 30 seconds and keep it with you all day. Every small no is a big yes to your energy. Choose one exercise or several, or practice them all. The final decision is only yours. And what is the final thought of this video? Burnout is not failure. It is a phase of transformation. The old fire has burned out because a new flame is preparing, clearer, calmer, more conscious. Your soul is not calling you back to battle. It is calling you home, to yourself. Let your fire ignite again, but this time not to light the world, but to warm your heart. Take a deep breath and let everything you've just heard settle for a moment. Every word, every image that spoke to you today has the power to change the way you see yourself and the world around you. Remember, the strength, the calm, and the balance you're searching for have always been within you. You just need to return to them. If this video inspired you, give it a like and help these ideas reach others who might need them right now. Subscribe to the channel My Life in My Hands so you won't miss the next step on this journey, a journey toward a conscious, peaceful, and powerful life. And if you're ready to go deeper, watch the next video waiting for you right here. Because with every step forward, you discover more of who you truly are. Never forget, your life is truly in your hands.